Hello, myself is Dr. Praveen Bhandari. Today we are going to talk about very important topic continuity equation. We'll try to understand the statement of continuity equation, its mathematical expression and the derivation. We'll also try to understand what are the applications of continuity equations. So the contents of this presentation are statement, the concept of volumetric and mass flow rate, and application of continuity equation. Now, in the subsequent slides, we'll understand that the area of cross section, the density of fluid, mass velocity affects the mass flow rate, and therefore the mass flow rate is affected by all these variables. Let us try to understand uh, the law of conservation of mass applicable for flow through pipes. It is nothing but the continuity equation. The derivation of equation of continuity, its forms for compressible and incompressible fluids, and the application of continuity equation. Now there are three images which are presented in the slide. There is uh, uh, a spray, um, then the orifice meter, and one child is playing with a gun. It's a water gun basically, and the sprinkler, the orifice plate, the cross sectional of orifice meter, and the water gun. Now what is common in all these three depictions? The common feature is these three application represent the variation in a velocity because of the change in cross section, and therefore they are based on the applications of equation of continuity. So this continuity equation is nothing but the law of conservation of fluid, or law of conservation of mass, which is applicable for the flowing fluid. It states that the mass flow rate of a fluid flowing through a closed conduit or a stream tube is conserved. Now to understand this, let us consider a tapering tube. There is a fluid entering from the larger end of the tube, say represented by 1, and it is leaving through a smaller cross section of the tube represented by 2. Let A1, A2 are the area of tapering pipe at inlet and outlet. U1 and U2 are the inlet and outlet velocity. Rho 1 and rho 2 are the density of fluid at inlet and density of fluid at outlet. Now, as per the equation of continuity, the mass flow rate of a fluid is flowing through a cross section is conserved. Therefore, mass flow rate of a fluid entering is equal to mass flow rate of a fluid leaving. Therefore, if mass flow rate is represented by m dot, then I can write it as a m dot is equal to m2. Now this m dot can be expressed in terms of density of flowing fluid, velocity, that is average velocity, and cross sectional area. And therefore if the mass flow rate of the fluid entering at section 1 and leaving at section 2 is written in the form of density, velocity, and cross section, then we can write this expression as a rho 1 u1 a1 is equal to rho 2 u2 a2 is equal to m dot is equal to constant. Now in case of incompressible fluid, the equation can be represented as represented assuming rho 1 is equal to rho 2 is equal to constant, and if we substitute that condition, then the equation reduces to u1 a1 is equal to u2 a2 is equal to q dot is equal to constant. That means the volumetric flow rate flowing through a pipe of tapering cross section is constant. Now, in general case, with multiple branches flowing in the same direction, we can, or pipe of varying cross section, we can write as a rho 1 u1 a1 is equal to rho 2 u2 a2 is equal to rho 3 u3 a3 is equal to, in general, represented as rho ua is equal to constant. So, thus, as per the equation of continuity, the mass flow rate of a fluid flowing through a pipe of varying cross section or branch pipe is conserved. The applications are: it can be used for determining the variation of velocity of fluid while movement through a pipe of varying cross section, determine velocity of fluid in a branch pipe, determining diameter of pipe in case of tapering or branched pipe so as to conserve the flow rate. It is also used in the derivation of flow equation for various flow meters, that is variable head or variable area type of the flow meters. The key takeaway are: equation of continuity represent the law of conservation of mass applied for flow through pipes. The flow of compressible fluids through a pipe is affected by a density of flowing fluid. The density does not affect the flow rate in case of incompressible fluid. As per the continuity equation applicable for ideal flow, uh, as uh, as the area available for flow increases, the velocity decreases, and vice versa. And therefore, um, uh, if we press the tip of the tube through which the water is flowing, the water comes out in the form of jet and travels a greater distance. This is attributed to the or this typical behavior can be explained by using the continuity equation. Hope you must have understood the statement, mathematical expression, and its application of continuity equation. For more videos like this, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel Praveen Bhandari Nandurdi, and please subscribe and shares amongst your network. Thank you.